After the optical cables are led out from the cable tray, they should be fully untwisted and then coiled in a neat figure of 8 shape. Do not forcibly pull the cable. Place a protective, moisture-proof rain cloth in the end of the duct. Do not let the optical cable touch the ground directly to avoid sharp and hard objects on the ground from scratching the outer sheath of the optical cable. This section describes the personnel distribution and haul speed of optical cables. The cable traction personnel must maintain a large angle and maintain a constant speed to pull the cable along the route. The optical cable needs to be of a sufficiently large angle to the pulley. Avoid the dynamic bending radius of the optical cable being less than 20 times the cable diameter during cable traction. During cable laying, carefully watch the meter mark to prevent the cable drawing speed from being too fast. In addition, the cable traction personnel must be distributed at a distance of about 15 meters. Optical cable traction at the transfer point. In the video, we see the cable being pulled at 90-degree transition. Proper personnel for laying optical cable in the transition section of the optical cables keep the personnel space at about 15 meters apart. Pre-install guide pulley on the communication pole at each corner. Also, the optical cable needs to be at a sufficiently large angle to the pulley. Avoid the dynamic bending radius of the optical cable being less than 20 times that of the cable diameter during the cable traction. At the other end of the optical cable traction, distribute the cable at a distance of about 15 meters. Traction cable with uniform speed. In the last session, we will introduce some examples during the optical cable traction. When the optical cable needs to cross the road or other obstacles in the course of pulling, personnel must be on duty to guide the traffic and ensure smooth communication